We're going through a car wash. We're going through Quick Trips Car Wash. Quick Trips Car Wash. Taking a video. Whoa. Yeah. We're getting, oh man, it's like, it's so loud and blue and green swirls everywhere. And these red things just slapping me. Oh my god! Ah! This is wicked. Oh, look at that thing. It's going back. So fun. So loud, too. Beating the crap out of me. Oh man. It's raining now. What a nice gentle rain. Oh man, these things are wicked. These wind things, oh the air tunnel, geez, it pushes my truck around. Oh my god, these things are powerful. Look at the rain just rip away. Okay. Yeah, my time's over. Let's go again. Okay, and that was it. That was Quick Trips Car Wash, the wax package.